Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the US dollar Canadian definitely does keep drifting up, and we should be looking for longs, which I have been recommending longs for weeks now, because the daily time frame did turn up about 2 weeks ago. The daily time frame has definitely not made a Fibonacci bounce, definitely not made a significant lower high, no engulfing move to the downside. So I am definitely going to continue to do nothing but look for pullbacks. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right here, but on these bigger pullbacks that I see all over the place, I would definitely be looking to go long there. So right now, unfortunately, the strategy is to either be waiting for a pullback, which may or may not happen now. I mean, it doesn't have to make a pullback now, it could keep drifting up. So the strategy is to either be patiently waiting for a pullback, or the strategy is to be looking for an exit to a long that you're already in. So for me personally, I would definitely either be waiting for a pullback, or I'd be waiting for an exit for a long that I potentially was already in. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.